Me and him go way back. I just nod and he knows what to do, so.
You hold the ball.
Oh, there you go. Amazing, see?
I'm in line for the sushi. I love the salmon, but I don't take the tuna because of mercury.
I think soy sauce is better than any condiment ever. I think I've eaten it actually on macaroni and cheese.
Dumpling, I love them. So hearty, just so hearty and delicious, and just the texture of the dumplings in my mouth. Texture of the dumplings in my mouth. And while it goes down into my stomach, it's just constant euphoria.